My name is Alain Bucio.
My name is Dane Dulaney.
My name is Zak Kennison, and our senior design project is to analyze, test, and reduce the weight of the quick release mechanism for lower limb amputees.
The demand is huge. There's currently 2 million lower limb amputees here in America. Every year there's 185,000 new lower limb amputees that add to that number. And this part is just going to completely change that. It's just going to help so many people all over the world.
The quick release mechanism allows somebody with a lower limb prosthetic to quickly and easily release their foot. That would allow them to easily put pants on over the straight limb rather than having to worry about that rigid right angle of the foot.
Our client's Mark Lewis, founder of Rocky Mountain Manufacturing.
Our client was inspired to make this part from talking to a close friend who had a lower limb amputation. This component would allow somebody to easily take off the foot, put pants on over the straight limb, and then reattach the foot.
The client came to us and he wants to reduce the overall weight of the component while still maintaining ISO standards.
So currently what's on the market is something more along the lines of a bike seat clamp. It makes it tedious to take it off, put it back on, or do any sort of changing out of the prosthetic. He had the idea to move forward with a very simple design that he came up with. One of the big criteria that we have to follow is an ISO standard to certify that it does what it says it's going to do.
The method that we're using is going to be finite element analysis alongside physical testing to ensure that the numbers that we get do coincide. Doing this will help us with our overall goal of reducing the weight of the quick release mechanism.